What type of beak is characteristic of birds resembling a spoon? Spoon beaks. Scissors beak. Tweezers beak. Clothespin beak. Spoon beak. What type of beak eats small fish and small plants in water? Spoon beak. Scissors beak. Tweezers beak. Clothespin beak. Spoon beak birds. What type of bird break is best for cracking open seeds? Spoon beak. Scissors beak. Tweezers beak. Clothespin beak. Clothespin beak. What type of beak birds eat small fish and small plants in water? Spoon beak birds. Scissors beak birds. Tweezers beak birds. Clothespin beak birds. Spoon beak. What type of beak eat fish and insects? Tweezers beak birds. Scissors beak birds. Spoon beak birds. Clothespin beak birds. Tweezers beak birds. What type of beak birds eat meats of animals? Scissors beak birds. Spoon beak birds. Tweezers beak birds. Clothespin beak birds. Scissors beak birds. What type of beaks are egret and heron birds? Tweezer beak. Scissors beak. Spoon beak. Clothespin beak. Tweezer beak. What type of beaks are golden finch and wren birds? Clothespin beak. Scissors beak. Spoon beak. Tweezer beak. Clothespin beak. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.
Damn.